Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a realistic eye using charcoal pencils. Whether you are new to drawing or an experienced artist, this tutorial will help you learn some great tips. Let's get started. First, I am sketching the basic shape of the eye. It's important to get the outline right before adding any details. I start with the pupil and then I move on to the iris. Keeping the lines light for now is important because I will add more details later. I am focusing on the iris, the colored part of the eye. I am drawing lines that go out from the center to make the iris look more realistic. Charcoal helps create depth, so I darken the center to make the pupil stand out. One of the best things about charcoal is how it lets you play with light and shadow. I start adding shadows to the upper eyelid and around the eye to give it more depth. Remember, charcoal works in layers, so I keep building up darker tones gradually. Next, I move on to the eyelids. I first draw the upper eyelid, adding more shadows for a realistic effect. Then I work on the lower eyelid, carefully adding shadow to make the drawing look more lifelike. Finally, I check the entire drawings and make sure the shadows and highlight are balanced. The details really bring the eye to life, so don't rush. Keep refining it until it looks perfect. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this drawing tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more art videos. I would love to hear what you think, so leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and keep creating amazing art.